Hi everyone. In this video, we will show you how to add subtitles automatically to TikTok videos. First, open the TikTok application on your mobile device. Now tap on the plus icon in the middle of your screen. Next, select the videos or pictures you want to use from your gallery. Once selected, scroll through the menu on the right side and tap on Captions. Now, wait as TikTok automatically generates the subtitles for your video. Once the subtitles are generated, select the font style and color for your subtitles. Then, tap on Save in the top right corner. After that, go back and tap on Edit. Now, check and adjust the subtitles as needed. Here, tap on any subtitle part to bulk edit, split, or delete. You can also change the color or font style of the subtitles in this section. Thanks for watching, like the video, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.